Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel and welcome back to third. I don't know which, I think third episode this is. So this is Python GUI with Tkinter, third video episode on Tkinter Python programming with GUI. So what is GUI? I have already told, and how you can do some basic of some GUI and graphical user interface in previous videos. So if you haven't checked it out, go and check it out, that playlist, and come to this one. Okay, so as always we will import all from Tkinter and import all. Okay, so and then we will store the tk application, that is our main module, to our root. And now we will not do some framings and like that, but now we will be going to grid. So using the grid methods, you can just put elements whereas you want. Okay, so let's suppose that I want to make a bottom, and let's suppose this is button, and in root and text equals to Hola. Okay, so it's Hola. And then we did like button.pack, but in this one we don't do pack, we just do grid. Okay, so here just understand. And inside this there are two parameters, one is row and second one is column. Okay, so one is row and second one is column. So we can give as we want, like 5, row number 5 and column number 1, and and then root dot main loop, and let's run that. You can see over here it's in row 5 and column 1. Okay, so let's suppose that I want to do it in also 5. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, okay, so here we have done this, and let's do another also. So let's do button 1 equals new button, and we do it in root, and next parameter is text equals nice. Okay, so for button 1 dot grid, we just gonna give a parameter or row equals 0 and column equals 1, and for this let's just do row equals 0. Automatically column will be 0. So as we do, you can see Hula is in the 0th row and 0 column, and next nights is in 0 row and first column. So it's pretty much nice for starting. Okay, so understand this, and just this we changed this, is just instead of pack we did is grid. So it's pretty much simple, guys. Hope you guys will know how you can do this, and this much for today's video, and hope you guys like this video. If you guys do like, please share this video with your friends and families so that they could know how can they program Python GUI with Tkinter. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one.